1. To learn more, must be 19 or older, Ontario only. Please play responsibly. Now, time for your forecast here. Sydney Fandriacci.
Well, it's lovely out still, and we are continuing with this nice temperature trend here across the region. And we've climbed about another degree for some areas. It's 18 at Pearson with a wind out of the west. It's not gusty, but it's a bit breezy. Those winds will shift to the east tonight as the wet weather rolls in, and we're in for a real active day on Thursday. Rain and the risk of some isolated thunderstorms. We're about 20 to 30 millimeters is what we're expecting, but over the course of Thursday through Saturday morning, up to 40 millimeters possible here in the GTA. So an active weather pattern setting up. Winds are front and center Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So just be prepared for some traffic delays because of all this active weather. The overnight low tonight, 8 degrees.
Coming up at the bottom of the hour, the Great Big Bill to create the Great Big Build. Big news from the Pink Palace today. We'll go to Queen's Park straight ahead.
Wow, it's late. I should go.